Hi, this is ProfitDoctor Ben, following up on the 50-20 rule and providing a little bit more color commentary there. Press release. The 80-20 rule wins the ProfitDoctor bronze medal. In a surprise upset, the 80-20 rule placed third in the ProfitDoctor Business Olympics, which surprised many because we're big fans of the 80-20 rule. There's no denying that the 80-20 rule is powerful, nearly universal, and time-tested. You may be wondering, but if it's so great, why are so few CEOs actually using it? And that's a great question. And a hint is that it's powerful, but slow and resource intensive. Another great question is what took silver and what took gold? So glad you asked. In an ironic twist of fate, the 80-20 rule's much younger cousin beat out its venerable Italian cousin. Coming in at number 2 and taking silver is a young cousin of the 80-20 rule or Pareto principle named the 50-20 rule. Now you may be wondering, what the heck is the 50-20 rule and how did it beat out the 80-20 rule? Well, the 50-20 rule invites you to cut 50% of the worst 20% of your business in the next 30 days. The 50-20 rule can jumpstart profitability, financial freedom, and joy by freeing up time, money, and energy to reinvest in yourself and your business. In 30 to 60 days, it can put time in your day and money in your pocket. So the 50-20 rule won this race because it is so much faster than its 125-year-old Italian cousin, the 80-20 rule, often referred to as the Pareto principle. The 50-20 rule actually saves time. That sounds pretty good, but what in the heck won gold? Well, winning CEO mindset takes gold at the ProfitDoctor Olympics. Why, you might be asking? Because while the 50-20 rule and the 80-20 rule are incredibly powerful levers from which you can achieve financial freedom, they do require confidence and courage to implement. Confidence to stick to it and courage to say no when it seems like the world may be begging you to say yes. So build up your winning CEO mindset to boost confidence and courage, because that's what is necessary to raise the bar for profitability and performance at your company.